Welcome back to 10 Slate Info. On December 23rd, 2021, INS Kukri, the first of the indigenously built missile corvettes, was decommissioned after 32 years of service at a solemn ceremony held at Vishakhapatnam. During the ceremony, the national flag, the naval ensign, and the decommissioning pennant was lowered at sunset in the presence of Flag Officer Commanding in Chief, some of the serving and former commanding officers of the ship. During service, the ship was commanded by 28 commanding officers and it traveled a distance of over 6,44,897 nautical miles. And this is equivalent to navigating around the world 30 times or 3 times the distance between the Earth and the Moon. INS Kukri was laid down on 27 September 1985 at Mazagon Dock Limited. It was launched on 3rd December 1986 and commissioned on 23rd August 1989. The ship had the distinction of being part of both Western and Eastern fleets. If we quickly see the general characteristics, the length of this corvette is 91.1 meters, the beam is 10.5 meters, and it has a draft of 4.5 meters. The speed of this corvette stands at 25 knots with a range of 4,000 nautical miles at 16 knots. These corvettes are equipped with 4 P-20M anti-ship missiles, 2 Strela 2M surface-to-air missiles, 1 AK-176 76mm gun, and 2 30mm AK-630 guns. In addition to this, it had a deck which can carry 1 helicopter, and INS Kukri was able to carry HAL Chetak helicopter on its deck. So that was a quick and a small video to provide few vital details about the recently decommissioned INS Kukri corvette by the Indian Navy on December 23, 2021. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slate Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.